Hey everyone, my name is Edward Dumitrache. I'm a licensed realtor in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. And here's your real estate market update for October 2022 in the Maryland market in Montgomery County. So we made it to October. We've seen most leaves fall from the trees, or at least turn into the beautiful fall colors. While many are admiring the beautiful fall colors and getting ready for the holiday season, I'm sure most homeowners are wondering what's been going on with the real estate market. Are prices falling? Are we entering a recession? What's going on? Well, let's shed some light onto these questions by diving into these numbers, and of course I'm going to explain what they mean. First of all, let's talk about macroeconomics and get the mortgage data from Freddie Mac. In the last year, interest rates have risen so much, some would say they even doubled. Last year, on September 30th, Freddie Mac showed the interest rates on the primary mortgage market, that is when the Fed sells loans to the regular banks, at 3.01%, and everyone was freaking out because it was a huge jump from the 2% rates we've seen during the pandemic. Well, from the most recent update from Freddie Mac, 30-year mortgages sit at 6.7% on the primary market. And that means if you went to a bank to get a mortgage today, expect to pay a little more than that, maybe even over 7%. What does this mean for you? Well, as a buyer, you're not going to afford as much house as you did last year while having the same income. As a seller, you might have lost your opportunity to have a massive bidding war for your house with $100,000 over asking price. But are real estate prices dropping? I think not. At least not in the way you're thinking. Here's the local market data. In September, the median sales price rose by $30,000 from August, going up to $580,000, although 22% more listings came to the market in September compared to August. Less homes received offers and went under contract in September, thus raising the monthly supply of homes to 1.5 months, up from 1.4 months in August. Let me first say this, rising home prices and rising interest rates don't go well together. For a healthy market, one of these should come down. The only thing in anyone's control, though, is the sales price, and that needs to be reduced. So here's how the prices could come down. The median sold price decreased by 7%, coming down to $524,500 in September from $565,000 in August. Comment below and tell me if you think this is synonymous with a market crash. Alright, what else? Let's talk predictions. I'm expecting the month supply of inventory to increase a bit more next month. Basically, more homes being on the market and taking a bit longer to sell, meaning just a few more days than before. Here's what it all means for you. The housing market is stabilizing a lot more. It's still a seller's market, and let's forget about the period when there was 25 buyers fighting for one house, and the only ones that could actually buy had lots of cash that could throw above the appraised value. The market is expected to appreciate, although not by 20% per year, maybe high single digits or maybe even low double digits. The most important thing now, as a buyer, you could really get into a house. You may be able to get the seller to pay some of the closing cost and have a little more leverage, as many buyers are out of the market due to unaffordable interest rates. If you've been trying to buy for a while, now is your time to shine and perhaps even get a deal. On the other side of the coin, if you've been wanting to sell but were discouraged because it was so hard to find another place to buy and move into, well, now you can easily find another home with inventory having increased a bit. And you won't have to compete with other buyers. You may even be able to put a home sale contingency in the contract. The most important advice I can give you is when interest rates rise, home prices typically come down. Or in our case, they won't go up as high and as fast anymore. But when the rates go down, expect the home prices to skyrocket once more. Let that sink in. To wrap it up, I hope this video was of use for you and your peace of mind. Share it with a friend and subscribe for more updates in the future or other interesting videos. Again, my name is Edward. I'm a realtor in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Call, text, or email me with any questions you have regarding real estate. Even if you're not looking to move in the near future, I'm always happy to help. Have a great day.